Focusing on core business, planning production costs, and ensuring quality are critical for many of our customers. Atlas Copco has developed a concept that we call full coverage service. This is a fixed budget service program covering repairs, parts, calibration, logistics, and preventative maintenance. Full coverage service can include a unique process developed by Atlas Copco called ToolScan RCM. ToolScan RCM balances the cost of maintenance against your operating costs. Data for this analysis is based on statistics from more than 5,000 of our Tensor tools. This will identify cost drivers related to tool failures and provide the lowest life cycle cost. Analysis has shown that compared with a standard maintenance program, the number of failures can be reduced by more than half with ToolScan RCM.